In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on replacing all 4 spark plugs in this 2022 Kia Sportage. This should be the same from 2017 to 2022 with the 2.4 liter engine. Let's go ahead and get started. Now we need to remove this engine cover. It's just going to lift straight up. Engine cover off, we can see our 4 coils. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. We need to remove those coils and then we can remove the spark plugs. A lot of dirt and debris and leaves get tucked down in there. So grab an air compressor and just shoot some air down in there and blow all that debris out. So I'm going to start on the passenger side. We need to remove this coil harness. You'll see this gray tab right here. Just pull that out. You'll see how it just kind of popped into place. And now you're going to push down like this. Just give a little wiggle and pull that off. Now to remove the coils, they're going to have a 10mm screw. Each one is only going to have 1. So we're going to go ahead, get a 10mm socket, remove that screw, and then pull the coil out. You can just wiggle the coil back and forth and pull straight up. The coil out, you can see the spark plug. So we'll go ahead and remove the spark plug next. The spark plugs we're going to be installing, and there is the part number. Now the reason you want to use the spark plug socket is because it has a magnet inside. So it's going to hold your spark plug in place. And I also like it because it has this swivel top. Just a touch of anti-seize lubricant on the spark plug threads. You only need just a touch on the threads. This will make it so that these spark plugs never seize up in the heads. Now these spark plugs are pre-gapped, so we don't have to do anything with the gap. And I'm going to go ahead and get it started by hand. We're going to torque this spark plug to 20 foot-pounds. I'm going to put just a touch of dielectric silicone grease on the end of the coil. On just a touch of that silicone dielectric grease on the end of the coil, now we can install the coil. We can install that 10mm screw, and we're just going to get this so it's snug. So it's snug right there. And we're just going to go about 1/8 to 1/4 turn. Now we're going to reinstall the wire harness. Just going to push it on there till it snaps into place, and then push down on the gray clip. Give it a little tug to make sure it's locked into place. Do the same thing on this one. So pull the little gray tab up, push down, and pull off that wire harness. Now go ahead and get your 10mm socket, remove the screw, pull off the coil. Install the new spark plug. Reinstall the coil with the dielectric grease on it. And up the 10mm screw. Reinstall the wire harness. Make sure it snaps into place. Push down on the blue locking tab. Give it a tug. We're halfway done. Now the bolt for this coil is slightly hidden. All you gotta do is push in a little bit on this foam cover and you'll see the bolt right there. Just squeeze in on the foam cover. When you have one of these magnetic spark plug sockets, it makes this job so much easier. And install the last coil wire harness. Now install the engine cover. Just push straight down. You'll hear it kind of pop into place. Let's start it up and see how it sounds. Alright, so let's check and see how smooth it is. I got a glass of water on the engine, and let's check the vibration. She is running very smooth. And that's all there is to it, guys. All new spark plugs are in and is running nice and smooth. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll put links in the description below on how to get everything off Amazon. And I thank you for watching.